Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel! In this lesson, we will learn to introduce our nationalities and learn some key features of the Korean language. Let's start! A Korean can convey different level of formality to his or her audience by changing its endings. It's an important characteristic of the Korean language. Officially, there are 7 speech levels, but we will only learn the most commonly used 3. The formal polite, the informal polite, and the impolite. Formal polite is when it ends in upnida and supnida. It is reserved for formal occasions like meeting and presentation. Next is the informal polite. It is end with ayo, oyo, or yoyo. It is used in daily conversation between friends, strangers, or towards someone older or superior. Lastly is the impolite. It ends in a, o, yo. You can use it between your close friends towards someone younger or subordinate. Let's start with some vocabulary words. Hangeul means Korea. Philippine means Philippines. Megok means America. Chungo means China. Ilbon means Japan. Salam means person. Quiz number 1. Philippine. Megok. Chunggok. Hanguk. Ilbon. Salam. Perfect. Let's now move to phrases. Hanguk salam means Korean. Chunggok salam means Chinese. Ilbon salam means Japanese. Migok salam means American. Sentence word order. A basic Korean sentence follows the subject, object, verb order. Now we're going to learn the chunun imnida form. Chunun hanguk salam imnida. It means I am Korean. In the sentence structure, cho is the first person pronoun such as I in English. Nun is a particle. It tells us that cho is the sentence topic, and that imnida can be interpreted as the verb to be. Here are some more examples. Chunun chungguk salam imnida means I am Chinese. Chunun migok salam imnida means I am American. Chunun ilbon salam imnida means I am Japanese. And chunun Philippine salam imnida means I am Filipino. Quiz number 2. When someone asks you dancing we kugjugun musot imnika, it means what is your nationality? Now you're going to encircle the correct translation of the following. Good job! I hope you learn in this lesson, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye!